The double-headed serpent in the British Museum is possibly one of the most iconic pieces of Aztec art, though you'll sometimes see it referred to as Aztec Mixtec, and this is because it was most likely actually made by Mixtec New Savvy artisans for a Central Mexican audience. This piece was carved from wood and then shaped and then hollowed out from the back, and the wood has traces of gold on it, so it was probably gilded to make a dramatic contrast with the mosaic on the other side. Now, around the curves of the snake, there's darker and lighter tesserae that were selected to sort of accentuate the play of light over the curves of the snake's body, in addition to mimicking the scales of a snake. Now, within the gaping mouths are brightly colored spondylus precepts shell that's used for the gums and white conch shell for the teeth, and these are held in place with tree resin that was colored with hematite pigment so that the exposed resin between the teeth appears red. Now, the very detailed nose is also made with spondylus shell, and the eye sockets, though hollow, have traces of beeswax and resin around the rim, suggesting that they originally had eyes, possibly polished pyrite. There are also holes pierced through each of the lower jaws. It's possible that at one point the two heads had a movable tongue. Now, its use is up for debate. It could have been worn as a pectoral across the chest, or alternatively been fixed to a staff as a standard as a identifying album. The evidence for that is the fact that it was decorated from all sides. Regardless, it's a shame that we don't see how it originally was, though it still managed to stay beautiful over all these centuries.